I'm Dee, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to another episode of Summer Declutter. Today I am going to attack under the bathroom sink of our guest bathroom. Now, I have some items down below under the sinks that have been there for quite a while. This is a bathroom that we just don't use on a daily basis, not even on a weekly basis. This bathroom is basically only used when guests, like family, arrive. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these cabinets we're gonna go through today. This is a bath towel that came out of the laundry along with this washcloth. I left it up here because I knew I was gonna do this video. I wanted to clean all of this out. So I got towels. It goes way back there in here. So I'm gonna take everything out. Alright, so here are the towels that were underneath the cabinet. And I placed these ones on the maybes, but these ones I definitely like. These are the brand Filled Crisp Luxury. I really like how soft they are. They last really well. I like also just how lush they feel when you dry yourselves with these. I also like the color of this because that matches the kind of what I'm going for right here. These ones are kind of frailing. I don't know for sure. These are going to be keepers, so that actually goes underneath the cabinet. So those for sure are going to remain for the guest in this bathroom. Now this one, I believe my stepmom, she likes using the Royal Velvet, and I do too. They're a little bit thinner. My dad prefers this one, and it's okay. I mean, it's thin. I prefer this though for myself. And I just realized when I'm folding these up, and this one's already frailing. And you gotta remember, these don't get used as much, so I'm kind of disappointed in this. So I think I'm going to go ahead and donate that one. But this one is still in good condition. This is the same one. And since my dad likes it, I'm going to go ahead and keep that one here too. So there's that. Here is an old one. Bianca Jacquard. Okay, you guys. I've had this since 1999. No joke. I never really use these though. These are supposed to be in the master bedroom. And what I would do with these, they would be just for display. I know. But I never use these. And they're still in good condition. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in our master bathroom. So that's where these are going to go. So they don't go in here anymore. So we can go ahead and take these out. Okay, next one here. I also picked up this one. This is also an off-white. And this is Martha Stewart collection. I only have that one and this one, so I only have 2, and they're okay. They're on the thinner side, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave that here because basically then that's all the towels I'm gonna have for my guests. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and that should be more than plenty for my guests, and that's just for in this bathroom. Now these were also in here, but I'm gonna go ahead and donate these as well because look, you can see the bleach kind of stain there. So I'm gonna go ahead and donate that one, and then this one is so old. Oh man, this is back from the 80s, I think. So we're gonna go ahead and donate 1, 2, 3, and then the other one is 4. So I'm going to donate these. I'm going to put those back underneath. Oh, and these 2 were in the back. Again, it's like, I don't know if the camera picks that up, but it's kind of like, it's like bleached. And then here's another one, and that one's just old, so all of those are going to be gone. Oh yeah, that looks much, much better. Go. This one, I only have a hair dryer, which I'm going to leave that there. In here. These are just some traveling stuff in here. Odds and ends. That can all stay here because I tell everybody that they can help themselves to whatever they need in there. Candle. I don't know what that is doing in there. Oh, some feminine products in case. That could be donated. That could be donated. I used to keep this box to put feminine products, but I think I'm just going to go ahead and donate that now. Moisture humidifier. I think I could probably just donate that. I don't even think we have that anymore. Ew. And some extra tiles that's been in there for a while, but I think that should probably stay there just in case. So that one's done. This one, I'm kind of scared. I don't think I've ever put this on camera yet. Alrighty. Yep, folks. Something I'm not very proud of. Okay, these right here, I just stuck them down here just for the heck of it, but that goes back up. We put soap in there. Oh, this one needs to like place some cotton, not cotton, but Q-tips in here. So I need to replenish that. Here's my soap dishes. That goes on the top. Okay, so here is the vaporizer. I need to keep that still in its box. And I have another one here. This one's new. Newer, I should say. This one's an older one, so I'm gonna go ahead and donate that, if that can even be donated or even just tossed out. Then I have a very old baking soda. Yeah, don't look at all that stuff at the bottom. Close up. Got some back pain patches that could be tossed out. You know, all of these. Do they even have a expiration? I've had these for so long, I'm just gonna go ahead and toss them. Thermacare. And then I have in here Neva, Corral. And then I think I'm gonna keep these. I'm gonna keep those. I feel like I'm being like cutthroat here, but there we go. I used to be a couponer way back in the day, so those just need to go. I keep feeling guilty. I'm holding on to them, where I feel even more guiltier to toss them, and I don't know why. I don't know why. The last time I decluttered, I just kept them thinking, no, we'll go back to them, we'll go back to them. Nope, it's gone, it's gone, it's done, it's time. So don't feel guilty, just do it, just do it. I mean, okay, so there that one goes. And we already did that one. Yikes. Okay, let's go through this one here. I hope you guys don't hear the tree trimmer guy in front. Oh my goodness. Let's go through this real quick. This is heavy. This is like brand new. Okay, so we're gonna keep that. The works. I like using this from time to time. Just leave that here. This one's almost done. This one, I never use. I keep holding it up here. I'm like, nope. Toss. recyclable sprayer. I don't know what's in it, so nope. Toss. That one's new. This one's almost done. Look, this one's seen better days. I never use that at all. So that can be gone. Comment, I use Comment, but you know, I could really use that in our master bathroom right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and place that elsewhere. I like using Comment on these porcelain tubs. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep my Comment there. Move that to the side. Oh, look, you guys, another towel, and it has like those stains, so that one's also going to be donated. Bam. This is toilet paper. This can be placed in the toilet paper dispenser. A wrench. I don't know. I can't remember if my dad was doing stuff underneath here, and that's why we have this. I'm really not too sure. I'm going to have to ask the husband. Oh, this is for hair stuff. Nope, don't need that either. But I'd like to get another liner if I can. This is 409. Nope, almost done. I don't even use it. It's been here forever. This is all of, oh, you guys can't see that. This is all of my hair stuff. I was not a beautician, but I went to beauty school, so I know how to do all that stuff. But this is all my stuff that I use if I want to give myself highlights or if I want to color my hair. I don't know, I've always kept it in here. I'm just going to leave it here for right now. That looks a little bit better. I want to get another bin though in here, so that way it could be all in there and I can just pull it out and put it back in. But that's not what this is about. This is just about decluttering, which I got rid of some in here. Got rid of what I needed. It has more space. Now I can figure out how to organize it. So again, that's not this video. That's going to be later on after I downsize and declutter this house. Here's the last little bit. It just has two shelves right here, 1 and 2. Let's stop at the top part. I usually use this for the bathtub, but I'm going to go ahead and toss that one out because it's seen better days. This one, I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that one too. I don't use that. This, there's hardly anything in it. Looks like it's been here for a while, so toss that one. This is a hair conditioner that's been in here. I'm going to place that in there. That's where the extras go, so I'm going to place that in there. Footworks, don't need that. And a foam bath, which we don't use. Toss. Next thing I'm going to have to do is just wipe everything down. Peel this off. Oh, I can do that now. Cool. Nice. Alright, so there we go with that one. Now I just need to figure out another liner for that. Lime away, that's almost empty, which pretty much is empty, so I'm going to go ahead and toss that. Some type of cleaner. And then here's another sponge. That's a better looking sponge than the other sponge, so I'm going to just put that right there. So now I have 2 empty, I don't know if you guys can see this, guess it's hard. So I have an empty space here in the bottom, and I have another empty space right there. So, and I just need to get a bin for that right now, and then I think that's it. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with this. Probably just replace it and put a liner in there. I don't know. But there you guys go. So all of this stuff is going to be tossed out. I'm just going to toss this out. It doesn't look all that great. I don't know. I wouldn't. I don't know. I don't think I would. I don't even know if I have all the parts. So that's also going to be tossed out. And then this bag here is all of the towels and all the other stuff I want to donate. I mean, again, we don't use this bathroom, and a lot of times, like being a couponer back in the day, it just makes you feel, like I said, it makes you feel guilty, and we shouldn't feel guilty of getting rid of clutter. I mean, it's clutter. Yes, it's my fault for not using it, but I'm also not going to be pushed, is it pushed? or what's the word I want to use? I want to say bullied. It's not bullied. And it's getting hot in here. It's not, I don't want to feel ashamed where I need to throw them out. And today I need to throw them out. And throwing them out, I felt so much better. I felt so much better. It's over. I survived. I hope you guys got some type of decluttering motivation out of this. Really, go check what's underneath your sink. I still have 2 more to go, but I'm not going to do it in this video. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below on what you are decluttering next. I'm curious. I would like to know. Until the next one,